Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be on taking my ECU out. That's the first step. And then I modded the airbox to take the snorkel out. I put the exhaust on, which I don't really have any video footage of, but I do have video footage of the exhaust. I put the ECU back in. Again, I don't have any footage of that, but it's just me putting the bike back together in reverse order. And then I also have a little ride footage after of my thoughts. So yeah guys, enjoy the video. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is actually remove the ECU from the bike so that I can send it off to Two Wheel Dyno Works to get tuned. I'm going to be getting the exhaust in here in a couple days, so I'm going to install that. But for now, I just got to get the ECU out of here so that I can ship it off. Alright, so I'm going to start by removing this bolt right here. Pretty easy. So next I'm going to take out the two bolts back here. There's one right there and one right up here. Both Allen heads. So then once you get those two bolts off that are down here, you just basically pry this away. You want to just basically pull it away like this. You don't really want to pull up or down, just pull it away and it'll all unclip just like that. And then there's your ECU right there. Alrighty, so I managed to get the ECU out of the bike without taking that off. All I had to do was if it was sitting right here, I pulled it back a little bit and then just twisted it and it came right out. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it back in that way. I should be able to, but getting it out certainly worked. So all you have to do when you get to the ECU is pull it out, and then you'll see right here this middle clip. Wait, this will be forward more. This latch will be forward, like at the end of this. All you have to do is push down on this middle piece and push it backwards. Push the latch backwards. Push down on the middle here, and then push the latch back, and your ECU will just come right out. So yeah, off to Two Wheel Dyno Works. Alright guys, so I just did the snorkel removal for the airbox down there. If you can hopefully see down there. But anyway, there was this big snorkel down there that was coming out like this. And in reality, I actually didn't have to take these plastics off right here. I didn't have to take that off. But I did take it off because I couldn't see that there were two little, on the sides here, you probably can't see them, the lighting's kind of bad, but there are these little dimples right here. And on the airbox, there were these, and it was on the dimples. So if I would have just tried to pull it out, it wasn't gonna work. I had to figure out how that worked. But now that you know how it works, if you have a bike just like this, all you have to do is pull these flaps up from the sides to get them out of those dimples, and then you can literally just squeeze the airbox and pull it out. It's really flimsy, so it's not one of those hard rubber ones. So you can literally just grab it and pull it out. Alrighty guys, so I got the new exhaust put on. This is the Anodizing racing exhaust, also known as the Ransoto exhaust, I believe, just from Amazon. I got the ECU back from Two Wheel Dyno Works. I got it back actually really quickly. I sent it out last Thursday. They got it on Saturday, and I got it back on Monday. So great turnaround time. I didn't record myself putting on the exhaust at all or putting the ECU back in, but that's pretty self-explanatory. And I'll have a video link in the description for a guy who made a great video on how to install the exhaust. But other than that, I'm going to turn it on real quick for you guys so you can hopefully hear it with my mic. I don't really know if it's going to pick it up all that well, but I'm going to turn it on and then just go for a little ride, see what it's like with the tune and the new exhaust and stuff. So here we go. Let me just turn it on here real quick for you.